let's think about characters. I know a lot of people like to write in first person as if it's happening to them. I did this, I went here, we had breakfast on the porch, whatever, I don't know. But you got lots and lots of options here actually about who is in your story. Okay, so who are they? We've got some lists. A baby, a dog, a pop star, maybe just someone with a different name to you. So maybe have a practice if you're used to writing in first person and that's your comfort zone, by all means stay there, fine. But if you do want to test yourself, you want to practice writing in third person, write about maybe the name of your best friend, use the name of your best friend in your story, and then he, she, they did this, so you've got options, and it just helps to push your boundaries a little bit. Obviously, I wouldn't advise that the first time you write a third person narrative is in the exam, but now is the time to get your practice in, especially with the homework that you're given as well. You can write, if you're so used to writing I did this, try it with the name of your best friend as if it was them doing it. You've got so many options though. It could be anyone. It could be a magical person, a mythical person. It could be it could be an assassin, a knight, anything. And they can be whatever you want, okay? Just keep them fairly realistic. So I will be a little bit taken aback if I'm reading about like an alien cyborg with about 7 heads, because I'll be too busy thinking about that than thinking about what the actual story is. And remember, your story is the focus. So don't let your characters upstage your story. But yeah, absolutely. Lovely. Okay. You've got lots and lots of options. You've got a lot of freedom, and that's a good thing. Okay. So in terms of your characters, these are the things you can think about: who they are, how old they are, what they look like, behavior, and how they feel as well. Okay, now you don't have to be very, obvious within your creative writing work. You don't need to say, Ella was 10 years old and her birthday was the 21st of April. Okay, you don't need to say that, but just have that information for you in your head, because the more you can kind of understand your character, the more that can be conveyed through the way that character behaves. All right, so their behavior is kind of how they talk to people. Are they a bit grumpy? Are they a bit moody? Are they really, really nice and friendly? And how does what happen in the story, how does what happens affect them?